Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to follow Elon Musk on X. So let's open X, and you have to go to Explore tab at the bottom side of your screen, which looks like magnifying glass icon. Now at the top of your screen you should go to your search bar, and now search for his handle. Just type handle and then start typing Elon Musk. Now let's tap on his profile, and you need to find follow button on his profile. Let's follow him, and after this his post will appear in your timeline, especially if you're viewing the following tab. So that's basically how you can follow Elon Musk on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.